Hi, I want to show you how to put this fishing kayak on top of this rack on my truck. So this is my fishing kayak, and then how you would get up there by yourself. So I'm using this old sweatshirt, this rack, to put it here that they don't scratching your car on the top of your truck. So put this rack up here, then I'll show you how it go. Okay, I'll see you. By yourself, by on top of that. Then I'll throw that. Push it up. See, when they're getting all up there, really easy to push it up by yourself. So up to here, I have the hose up here and the hose over there. I'll put string to and then tie it up to that. So I'll show you on the other side how to put the string through. The strap going through here. You can put the other side over there, and then it's really easy and simple. Just go through here and then go through this hole. I'll put in the other side. So that strap would be around the kayak. Then the same thing on the other side. I'll put this thing over that side, and these things go through here also. Go through that hole. Like that. So see that strap over there, strap over here, and that's it. I'll go the other side to tighten it. On this side, you'll see whole strap up here. Pull the edge over here, and then that edge over there. I want to show you how to tighten and secure. They don't lose it out, so don't push the thing to here. You have to go from the back. Turn this around. Put let's see, you can see that. here. Okay, so when you tie your kayak, when the wind blows, if you go in the front, they will loose and your kayak might flow off. So you have to tie it from the back, the edge right here, and go through from the back, not the front here. Okay, then to tight and secure, open up, and then you put this edge over here. Okay, it's a little bit tight, but you can squeeze it too. And just push it back and oops, and grab that. Push it through. Yep. Grab the edge of this. See that? Push it down. Okay. Now you got. Oop. My fault. You have to go around this part first. Underneath here. See that? Go through that. My mistake. So when you get those things through that, so I'll show you it again, and the string go underneath here to tie this part right there, and then the edge had to go through here from the back, not to the front. Okay, that would be secure tight right here from the back. Squish it in and pull. Okay, and then make it tight. Pull this up you can't, and then you pull it tight. This way you never get, your kayak never get loose and blow it away when you travel on the highway. So see that how tight it is? You can make it really tight. Okay, then what I would do, just tie it in here and strap that, have that, and that's it. So you do the same thing over on this side. You type the same way, goes last strap over here, go through here, and then do the same process over there, and that but 100% guarantee your kayak won't flew off. Give you the peace of mind for the safety. Okay, so again, don't go to the front to put the edge in there like that. Your kayak would get loose. So the edge of this part go to the back and come to the front and pull it tight. Okay, I hope that would help you when you put up your kayak, to secure your kayak with peace of mind. They won't flew up on the highway. All right, good luck and enjoy the safety. Bye bye. I'll put this string on right, 2 strap over here. So let's see, I can show you. Like you walk up to here to your truck and step on that. 2 strap right here. So we'll do it this way. I think we're good. Let's see. I did the same thing here. Pull it down tight. Okay, and then just go around and type it here. Okay, type it, yeah, and type it a couple times. Type it. That will give you 100% safety for your kayak and get the peace of mind that your kayak would flew off or not. So this is great. I will see you when I take it down. Bye bye. I got to the lake. This is a Big Mosquito Lake public boat landing. You can land here for free for kayak. I want to show you again after drive from home and to check the strap here. See that? Still tight, nothing loose. That's still tight, nothing loose. So easy to just untie it and this right here, and then release it. Hold it out. Yep. So we just pulled it up there. It's all done. Same thing on this side. So it's tight, nothing loose. That again give you the peace of mind when you tied it right for your kayak, and then just release that and then come out. So there you go. Got that and pulled it out. That's it. So get my strap back, put in the truck. And then come back here again. I would use the rag. It won't scratching my truck. So put it there. Then you can lay the kayak on top of that. And so you're just pushing one hand toward that edge, and so I'll leave it there and see if we can get the photo from here. Okay. I'll show you how to take it down. Slide it down. That's it. Alright, that's it. Easy way to transport your um, fishing kayak down here, so it's really simple way if you do travel it by yourself and do it by yourself. So really easy step. Put it down here, get down to the lake. Alright, we'll see you there.